Shalini's brother got a new job. Obviously, Shalini was very excited and happy about it. And she wanted to know what her brother exactly does. Her brother said that he was a food inspector. Now, Shalini was a bit confused. She had heard about police inspectors. She knew that they solve crimes and catch criminals. But what would a food inspector do? Will a food inspector inspect food? But why does food require inspection? And can food commit crime? And if it does, why and how will it be caught? Actually, food cannot commit crime, but people who prepare food, they can definitely commit crime. Now, Shalini was again confused. Why would somebody who prepares food commit crime? And how can they do that? Well, this we will understand with an example. Now, we know that food is the most important part of our lives. When we eat food, only then we get nutrition and we get all the important things which are required for our growth and keeping us fit. So, food is very important and we'll have to buy food to eat all the time, isn't it? Now, some people, for mere profit, start adding unwanted things into the food. And what happens is, when this food is eaten by us, it harms us. So people add different things in the food so that the quantity of food increases as well as it looks more attractive. So what happens is, when we go to the market and we see such food, we start buying it. And when we eat that sort of food, then it goes into our body and harms our body. So we'll understand it with an example of a milkman who uses such practices. So there is a milkman who gets his milk for 40 rupees. Now, to increase the quantity of the milk, he adds tap water into the milk. So what happens is, the cost for him is still 40 rupees, but now the quantity of milk has increased. Now, when he will sell this particular milk, which is added with water, he will get more money out of it. But something harmful will happen with the milk. So when he will add water into the milk, what happens is, some important nutrients of the milk get diluted. That is, the important nutrients get reduced. And when we drink the milk, we do not get enough nutrients from the milk. At the same time, the tap water may be contaminated. And when this contaminated water is added to milk, then the milk becomes contaminated too. And when we drink that milk, it may harm us and cause some diseases. Another example is of instant noodles. Say there is a particular instant noodle company which prepares very delicious noodles, but it actually adds a lot of chemicals to make it more attractive and more tasty for you. So while you find it very attractive and tasty, it is actually very harmful because they have added chemicals to make more profits out of their noodles. And if you eat such noodles, you will fall ill. And that is a very bad practice. Now, another example is, when you go to the market, you see a lot of cakes and pastries which have multiple colors in it. Now, the color which is usually added in these cakes and pastries are not harmful to us, and they can be easily eaten. But sometimes, some makers of such pastries and cakes actually add unwanted and chemical form of colors. And these colors actually harm our body. So when we eat such cakes and pastries which have harmful chemicals in them in the form of color, then we can fall ill. And this is a very bad practice which some of the sellers usually do to make some profit. Similarly, you must have seen these spices and such tea is used in your house. Now what some sellers do is, to make more profits, they add certain substances which are very similar looking to these things. And when they add those substances in this, then the quantity of these things increases and they make more profits. But those substances which have been added, they are not good for our health and they harm us, which is again a bad practice by the sellers. So this practice of adding unwanted and harmful things into the food which may not be good for our health or may not be fit for consumption, such a practice is called food adulteration. To be precise, adulteration is an addition of another substance which is unfit for human consumption and which may result in loss of actual quality of the food item. So this is what is adulteration. And whenever any of the seller mixes unwanted things, he is actually adulterating the food. Now Shalini is very worried, and that if people are using such practices, then how will she purchase food and eat them? They may be harmful and that may actually harm her health. Well, she doesn't really need to worry that much, because all the countries have their own special organizations which check the quality of food. For example, in India, FSSAI is the organization which checks the quality of food. And these organizations make sure that whatever food which we get in packaged form are good for eating and fit for consumption. And if we eat those food, will not fall ill. So when you see a food packet from the supermarket, you should notice something. You will see that such logos are there on every food packet. You know what they are? Well, this is the logo of Indian government's agency for food inspection. And at every food packet which is available in India, this logo should be there. And if this logo is there, it means the food is quality checked and it is fresh. So whenever you go to the supermarket, always see products and you will see that all these are quality checked by some or the other organization which is approved by the government. And that means that they are unadulterated and fit for consumption. Now, that is why we are said that whenever we go to purchase any food from the market, we should prefer purchasing packaged food. Because if you purchase such loose food from the market, it may be possible that it has been adulterated and you may actually purchase a food which may harm you. So, which one is safer to use? Loose food or packaged food? What do you think? Well, packaged food is safer to use because packaged food has been properly inspected and checked by a government agency, while loose food hasn't been checked by them. So this will be a safer option for you when you go to the supermarket. Now, there are some instances when you actually need to purchase loose food. For example, some fresh products are not available packaged. For example, when you go for fruits or sometimes even rice is available in unpackaged form, then how will you make sure that it is not adulterated? Well, for that we have free food inspectors in our home. Those are our parents. So you must have noticed your mother picking up unwanted things from the rice so that the rice is clean for us to eat. Similarly, you must have noticed your father purchasing different vegetables and fruits from the market, but before he purchases, he inspects them properly so that even the loose food is fit for our consumption and we do not purchase any bad food which may affect our health. So you see, every time you need to eat any food, you will have to be very careful that it is not adulterated. And for that, you can physically examine it just like your parents do. Or if you have a packaged food, you can check for the logo of the government agency so that you can identify that it is properly quality checked and it is fit for consumption. So whenever next time you have any food, make sure that it is quality checked and it is fit for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.